In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download and install the DC mobile presets. So you've probably already done a few of these steps if you have landed on this video. You are going to click the download link in your email confirmation and it will open up a zip file for you. So you'll find that zip file in your downloads folder and you will want to double click on that and it will expand into a folder like this one. So you'll open up that folder and inside is the guide that probably brought you to this video, and there are the preset files inside of another folder. So you'll open up that folder and select all of the files, and then you're going to right click and click share airdrop and make sure that your Bluetooth is on your phone and your phone is nearby so that you can airdrop them to yourself. If you are using a PC or Android, you can also email them to yourself or you can upload them to a cloud sharing system like Dropbox. So I'm going to hop on over to my phone to show you how to import them into the Lightroom mobile app. So here I am in my phone. I've airdropped all of those files to my phone and they will show up with the name of each preset. And then I'm going to open my Lightroom mobile app and click that plus album button. So I'm going to create a new album or a new folder and title it the name of the preset pack. I'll click OK, and then I will go inside that album and then upload photos from the bottom right hand corner. I'm going to just tap on all of them to select them and then click add. Then I'll go through and click on each one and click those three dots in the right hand corner and click create preset. And you're going to want to create a new preset group for this so you can keep all your presets organized. So I'm going to call it pack 5 and then I will name it the preset name on the image. So this one is 5 base. And then I'll just scroll through and do the same thing for each one. After that, you will have all of your presets there for when you are ready to edit an image, and you'll find them under presets in the middle on the bottom, and you can just click on each one and immediately apply it to your photos.